as we know, outside London, there hasn't been much built in terms of modern quality stock in most sectors for the last 7 years, and there's not a lot of development finance available either. So if you're brave enough, if you have the projects available, then it's something that can deliver value. We've been investing for the last 3 or 4 years a lot outside London in the UK because we found stronger value there, and also it ties in very much with the government's agenda regarding decentralisation. For our long-income clients, a number of the businesses generate earnings that are suited to inflation-linked rents. Now, on the downside, some of these deals are complex to structure, and in the past, there has been less liquidity. There's obviously a lot of capital in these sectors at the moment, but it has often not been the case. But all in all, these have different drivers from traditional real estate, which can provide good diversification for a portfolio such as ours. Quite a lot of different sectors within alternatives that we've been investing in, 2.6 billion in total, which actually amounts to about 11% now of our assets under management. This country has a housing crisis and has been failing to deliver adequate residential for many years. That has meant that actually returns for investors in the residential sector have been very strong. But sadly for us institutions, it's been mainly private investors that have been benefiting from that. And as you can see, rented is the only sector that is actually growing, and now there are 4 million households in the private rented sector. Although, of course, housing investment is volatile, we believe that if you look at the statistics, there's lower downside volatility and quicker recovery than the commercial sector. In Birmingham, a market we've been very active in, a city we really believe very strongly in, 2 Snow Hill, one of the best office buildings outside London in our view. This benefits from the HS2 infrastructure investment in 2 ways, actually. One, because the HS2 station is going to be nearby in Curzon Street. But also, HS2 has their headquarters in our building. Transport-related infrastructure is creating significant positive change for certain regions.